Welcome to this Excel tutorial, where we'll explore how to calculate an average while ignoring errors in your data. Errors can often disrupt your calculations, but we have two effective methods to help you handle them. Let's dive right in. Our first method involves a simple formula. We will use this formula to calculate the average while ignoring any errors in the data. In the first method, we'll use a straightforward Excel formula to calculate the average while automatically ignoring any errors in your data. You can use an array formula based on the average function, the if function and the isError function. To implement this method, follow these steps. Select the cell where you want to display the average. Enter the formula. Equals average left bracket if left bracket is error left bracket B1 colon B6 right bracket. B1 colon B6 double right bracket. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to enter it as an array formula. You should see that the average result would be calculated. For the second method, we'll explore creating and using a custom user-defined function with VBA code to calculate the average while excluding errors. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Click Insert and select Module to insert a new module. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module. Use the custom function in your worksheet like any other Excel function. Equals average without errors, B1, B6. These methods provide you with powerful tools to calculate averages while efficiently handling errors in Excel. Choose the one that best suits your specific needs and enjoy error-free averages. Thanks for watching. We hope these methods help you work with error-prone data in Excel more effectively. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks.